Okay, so let's make just a small break from the heavy part. Let's fix some visual issue right now. Here you can see visit and call that we have that, well, not so nice looking space right under the text. Let me show you how you can find out what you need to change. Open up the console, Ctrl-Shift-J when you have Chrome, right? Now let's right click on the part you're really not sure about what's going on and click on inspect. So for me this is in German, for you it should be in English or in your desired language, right? So go ahead and click on that. Now you can see the actual HTML or CSS code, or HTML and CSS code. Now you can see that everything is really getting packed into some Angular sort of stuff. But if we go into that and we open it up, we can see visit and we can see the paragraph here, right? So, and if I click on that, you can see right below all of the CSS classes which are getting applied, or of the CSS attributes at least. And you can see that mat body p, mat body, right, mat typography, this is all coming from the indigo pink CSS, which was our Angular material theme. So this is actually caused by the theme. And you can see that margin here, 0, 0, and then 12. And that 12, if I even hover above this, you can see the underline, right, or the orange part here. So if I just disable it, you can see that everything is looking nice again. In Visual Studio Code, tasklist component.css, right, we are right here. Let's create for the paragraph here completely new attributes, and we simply set the line height to be 50 pixel. And this is, well, the default size of the line or of the row inside of the table which we have defined. You can see here line height or height 50 pixels. So we also set the line height for the paragraph to be 50 pixels, which will actually force the text to be vertically centered. And I mean, this is CSS, so there are really hundreds of ways to do that. And this is a really simple one without struggling around a lot now. We simply set the pixels value here. Now, as you can see, when we come back, the text again looks nice. And you can see that we have that line height set to 50 pixels. And if we uncheck it, it's gone again. So this line height fixes our issue, because if I hover above this, you can see that it's set to 55.55 to 50 pixels in height. Awesome.